Good afternoon, everybody. Um, I have created this model following, well, it is based on a tutorial that I have followed on Skillshare. But at this point, I want to share with you how can, if you're unable to model and you need some character to do some animation, you can search for rain, for example. Um, Blender, and we have this link. Here's another. This is another one. Okay, but we're going to download rain, and it says download the rain rig, and we need to click over here. What happened? Okay, now we are okay. This license Blender. To suppose we need to um, where is the download button? We need to yeah, download. Oh my god, 190. Yes, save, and it is downloading. Uh, let's wait for this to finish. And here it is some information. Okay, is it possible to date this rig for? It seems there are problems with some people are stated there. We will see. We will take a look. And now it is finished. And look at this. Here it is. And where is extract all? It's extracting the thing. Here it is. And it is rain rigged. Double click. And it's opening. We have a Blender 4.1. And yeah, we got our character over here. This. Okay, now we can go to pose mode and start doing our thing. Okay, I hope that helps anybody to get started in animating characters, in case you don't. But still, I will recommend for you to go to the process of modeling. It is a fun, it is a good learning experience too. Thank you very much. Bye.